Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Tesla app not available in your country. As you can see, in my country it's actually available, but if it's not available in your country, what you need to do is change the location settings on your Google Play Store account, the account that is associated with your Google Play Store. Now, if that still doesn't work for you, what you can do is go open up your browser and just type Tesla APK, and there's a lot of different websites. That one was for iOS and Android. This one is only for Android people. You can find a lot of APKs here. You can download the Tesla app using an APK entirely. So you come to these websites, you download the latest version. It actually works. I've done it before. Come here, you just download the APK and install it. Okay? Scroll, you'll see all the available downloads. You just pick the one that is applicable to you. The latest one right here. This one is Android 7.0 Plus. It's really that easy. Download it, install it, it will work. Okay? If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.